The beautiful flower. The most colorful and attractive part of a plant is the flower. Let us learn in brief about the different parts of the flower. When the flower is just a bud, we see green sepals completely surrounding and protecting it. As the bud opens and the flower spreads, the sepals are pushed apart. They form a ring at the base of the flower. Lying inner to the sepals, we come across the beautiful part of the flower called petals. These petals are large and showy. They are brightly colored to attract insects for pollination. They also protect the inner parts of a flower. The flower is attached to the stem with the help of a stalk. At the top of the stalk is a cup-like structure which has all the reproductive parts of the flower. The male reproductive part of the flower is the stamen. Each stamen consists of a filament and anther. Inside the anther, a powdery yellow substance called pollen is formed, which consists of the male cell. Small knob-like structures present at the center of the flower form the female reproductive part of the flower called the pistil. It is made up of 3 parts. A knob-like stigma is present at the top portion. The stigma continues as a thin tube-like structure called the style, which ends into a swollen, pear-shaped body known as an ovary. It consists of female cells called ovules. To summarize, we see that a typical flower has 4 parts. Sepals are the outermost part of a flower. Lying inner to the sepals are the colorful petals. Towards the center of the flower lies the male part called the stamens. The innermost part is the pistil, which is the female part of a flower, and these form a complete flower.